Power Pumping 101. How to boost your milk supply. Worried that your breast milk supply is lower than you want it to be? You may have heard about power pumping, a technique many pumping moms use to encourage their bodies to produce more milk. Today on Pump with Thilly, we're breaking down what power pumping is, how to do it, and when it may actually help. Power pumping is designed to imitate the frequent feeding pattern babies sometimes use during growth spurts. The basic idea is simple. You pump, take a short break, and pump again several times during one session. This gives your breasts repeated stimulation and milk removal, which can signal your body that more milk is needed. A common power pumping routine is to pump for 20 minutes, rest for 10 minutes, pump for another 10 minutes, rest for another 10 minutes, and then finish with 10 more minutes of pumping. The exact schedule can vary, so listen to your body and adjust the timing if needed. Remember, power pumping should not replace your regular pumping or breastfeeding routine. Consistent milk removal throughout the day is usually more important for maintaining and increasing milk production. If you are exclusively pumping, try to keep your regular pumping schedule consistent while using power pumping as an additional strategy. For comfort, make sure your pump flange fits properly. Start with a comfortable suction level rather than automatically choosing the highest setting. Stronger suction does not necessarily mean more milk, and pumping should not cause significant pain. You may notice very little milk during the first few power pumping sessions. That does not automatically mean the technique is failing. The goal is increased stimulation, and changes in milk production can take time. Also, remember that low milk supply can have many possible causes, including ineffective milk removal, an infant's feeding difficulties, or certain health and medication factors. If you are concerned about your supply, your baby's weight gain, or how much milk your baby is getting, consider speaking with a lactation professional or healthcare provider. And never feel that your pumping results determine your success as a mother. Every breastfeeding journey is different. If this video helped you understand power pumping, subscribe to Pump with Thilly for more practical breastfeeding and breast pump guidance, and remember, you are doing better than you think.